Welcome back to Skimgy Unboxing. This time we're going to be unboxing the MunchPak.
When you open the box, this is what you'll see. And our box was made with love by Andy. And they have this new app called the Snack Scanner, and that's how you find out what is in the box, but it's not working for us, so we had to look everything up. And this is what you see when you remove the paper. The first thing we see is Chat Pat's Dilly Style Kata Mitha Sweet and Sour Mixture.
Show them what it looks like on the inside.
That's what it looks like.
Take that out. They're tiny things. Okay. What's this? Looks like popcorn. Take a check. Kind of purple. Remember? I took a big bite. It tastes like those.
It says sweet and spicy blend of graham flour noodles, puffed rice, green peas, and peanuts. 0 cholesterol and vegan.
Yummy. It's really good. It's sweet,
It tastes
spicy,
like
and
those
sour.
little eggs we made with the
Like those
little
deviled eggs.
Yeah.
These are deviled eggs.
Okay, the next thing we see is Parle-G Gold Biscuits. And it says Parle-G is filled with the goodness of milk and wheat, and the G is apparently stands for glucose and genius,
Good.
since it's a source of strength for body and mind.
Deviled.
This is what it looks like when you open it.
The cookie.
One.
Sorry.
It dropped on the floor. 1, 2, 3.
Look at
What do they taste like?
Vanilla cookie.
It's thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs down.
Thumbs up. It's good. Yummy.
Yummy.
Okay, the next thing we have is Lottie's Cereal Choco, and it says these small pillow-shaped puffs had a light beige exterior and an interior that was partly hollow and mostly filled with milk chocolate. The outside had a mild crunch and a cereal-like taste, and the milk chocolate was rich, creamy, and very good. This is what those look like.
They look like, what are those called? Your cereal?
Crave.
Yeah, those ones.
1, 2, 3.
Cheerios with chocolate is what it tastes like.
What?
Cheerios with chocolate. The chocolate tastes good.
These look like...
If you get the same
I'm
one,
gonna
try
do
this
this.
first. This is probably good.
And the next thing we have are Coulson Slanty Ketchup flavor.
Ew.
Only if you like ketchup.
A distinct tomato-flavored chip that is both tangy and tasty with a light, crisp texture. And this comes from Pakistan.
I can say thumbs up. You can say thumbs up.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, now these came from India.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Tastes like French fries dipped in ketchup.
These came from Korea.
I like that. Me too. Those are good.
I was thinking they're gonna taste like.
And these say India.
Sorry.
What are those that taste like ketchup?
They taste like fries dipped in ketchup.
Okay, now these we've had a lot, and these are Hello Panda biscuits with milk cream,
So cute.
and it says New Sports printing on it. These are small sweet biscuits stuffed with a delicious milk filling. Each biscuit has a cute picture of Panda doing various sports on the crunchy biscuit. This is what those look like. You can't really see the picture, but they're in the shape of a panda.
1, 2, 3. Oh! Tastes a little bit like an Oreo. Chocolate Oreo. It tastes like those little panda things that we get.
And the Hello Panda actually says made in the USA. Okay, the next thing are these Parley hide and seek. Ew, they smell good. In the flavor Cafe Mocha. I'm really gonna like these.
Me too.
I think.
I think we're gonna like them too. Show them what they look like.
Okay, so when you take them out, this is what they look like, just like a cookie. And it says they are crispy, sweet, and good taste. Play a game of hide and seek with your taste buds. Feel the extremely delectable taste of chocolates. Comes in a form of choco chips covering the entire parts of the Parley hide and seek cream biscuits.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
And these are a product of India.
Have chocolate. They'll have chocolate. Chocolate is good.
Even though I haven't tasted coffee before, it tastes like coffee.
Does it?
They're cool oils.
Well, I can imagine what coffee tastes like.
Diamond. Two diamonds, Dave.
Mom, this cup
Turn down.
You
Two
can
diamonds. Yeah. Two diamonds. I like this. Yeah, but you.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Okay, the next things we have are these milk caramels, and it's the Lotte brand. And I don't know what country this is from. It says intensely flavored, it says South Korea. Intensely flavored caramels that have a very rich milk caramel taste that will satisfy any sweet tooth craving. They're all individually wrapped.
Okay, let's unwrap them.
What do they look like? So this is what they look like when you.
And this is what they look like when you open them. Like a caramel.
1, 2, 3.
Mom, you gotta try these. 1, 2, 3. You gotta try these.
Are they good?
You gotta try them.
You haven't tried it. It's good.
Okay, the next thing that we have are, this is a puffed popcorn brittle, and I believe it's like cow bip, and this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like that Puff Graham cereal. It says a sweetened popcorn brittle bar with a honey glazed coating that is ready to be crunched on your next snack break. So when you pull it out, I mean, it literally looks like that Honey Puff cereal. And it is kind of flaky.
I'll tell you when to try it. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I have it in my mouth.
This is popcorn. It tastes like sweet popcorn. It's good. And you're gonna love these because they're 2 of your favorites.
Okay, so if you know how to speak Korean, please let us know what brand this is. We could not find the brand name, but these are honey cheese potato sticks from Korea.
Honey cheese potato sticks.
Wait,
Those sound
honey and
delicious.
cheese. I have popcorn. Honey and cheese.
When you open the box, they're in their own little like package, and this is what they look like.
But they're sticks. They're thin. Okay. It's like a normal little stick.
They smell like cheese.
1, 2, 3.
Sweet cheese. Sweet cheese.
Just tastes like spray cheese. A little bit
Like
of
easy cheese.
Look your cheese.
with a little bit of sweetness.
A bit of cheese.
Okay, the next thing we have is a sunflower seed Hava chocolate glaze, I think, with vanilla bar. And that is what this looks like. And this is a product of Ukraine.
I don't want this.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
And this is the last item in this box. So it is like very, very melty.
Oh, man.
I mean, you can see how melty it is. It does not look very appetizing.
Does it smell good?
Oh, and it is so crumbly.
So melted.
1, 2, 3.
No, not yet. She already ate it.
Is it good? Do you like it? What does it taste like?
Chocolatey nut.
Chocolate nut. We didn't eat that.
Is that one very good? Okay, so would you give this box a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
You liked it? Okay, so if you're interested in getting this box, I will link all the information below along with a code if I have one. And thank you for watching. We'll have more videos soon.
Bye.